Okay.
It's good?
Yep. I can just hold it. It's easier.
It's gonna start eventually.
All right.
Okay, official cramp.
But you're not playing officials.
Huh?
You're not playing officials.
Okay, custom cramp then.
Ah. Good job.
Okay, last one. And there's one.
It can't be that long because you're already at 80%.
That's true, and I got a lot of misses.
Yeah. So It'll probably be a short stream or something, but nothing much. Or it might even just end.
Yeah, I'm probably done.
Sounds like Borodin, Polovitzian dances or whatever it's called. It's different there, but whatever. I think that's Borodin. That's a pretty good score. No bar.
No bar, yeah. Well, the stream was quite long.
Yeah.
Shout out to No Bar Say Die. I'm training for that challenge.
Yeah. Ben's gonna win No Bar Say Die, right, Ben?
Probably. I'm aiming for
Yeah.
Lunar. No bar. So
Winner with no bar?
We'll
That'd
see.
be pretty good.
we'll see.
Alright.